Ang laki talaga dito sa farmers market, guys, oh, sa may Overland Park. It's newly open here. So there's left and right. That one is really huge there. Let's look more. They have also a water here if you get thirsty. Ang ganda dito, guys. This is better than in downtown. Right? Wow, there's a lot of plants. Huh? Like that. $5. Rose of Sharon. This one is Shasta Daisy. That's the Shasta Daisy. And red salvia. Celosia. This is Celosia, $5. I think this is the giant celosia.
Close to rehab, right?
Yeah. Wow, aloe vera. Catgrass. Catgrass. Lemon balm. We have this one, lemon balm. Potato. $3.50. Okra. They have eggplant too. How much this? This one is $7. That's expensive. Wow, ang dami talaga ditong choices, guys. Left and right. Tapos ito, mga sausage. Buffalo.
Eggplants are only $1.50.
Buffalo. Slims. That's cool. Made from buffalo. That's really cool, huh? You wanna try? Buffalo. We tried a burger before, right, in Wyoming. This one, nothing yet. Sold out. Okay, let's look here. It's a long line. This one, I don't know what's that in the line. You wanna see what's that in the line? Tingnan natin. That's just a drink.
An herbal drink is what it is?
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Look at that line for the herbal drink, guys. Hanggang doon sa pinakadulo. Siguro ano yan? Unique yan na drink. Herb coffee. That's new. Let's look this one, guys. $4 yung box. Eggplant. Tingnan natin magkano eggplant. How much the eggplant? How much? 2? Yan, guys, $7. Tapos yung malaki is $8. This one is $8. Which one you think?
Tres.
Ha?
Big enough.
$2. Ang laki, guys, oh. $2.
Put it in here, the same bag.
Yeah. I think it fit, right? Or I get another bag.
Put it in there.
Cookie, your favorite cookie. $1, husband.
How much?
$1.
$5.
This one, $7.
$5.
Really? 5? That's expensive. Wow, ang ganda dito, guys. Punta talaga kayo dito sa may sa may Overland Park. Dito lang yan sa nalimutan ko anong street. Pero nag-iisang farmers market lang naman ito sa Overland Park, Metcalf. Ikot tayo sa likuran. Ang daming maikutan dito. Kaya pala mahirapan kang mag-park. Yung iba doon na nag-park sa kabila. So ikot tayo dito sa kabilang side. Dati ito yung parking lot nila dito eh. Okay, let's check out here. Ang daming mabibili dito mga coffee, mga snacks. That one looks good. $3.50. See that? Okay, tingnan natin ito. Okra, $4. Ang mahal naman ng okra. Carrots. Kabilaan talaga nagbebenta dito. Mas maganda pala dito, guys, kaysa downtown. Mas maraming mabibili dito. Mas maraming choices. Wow, ang ganda ng mga orchids. Oh, tingnan nyo. Bloom na bloom. Ayan. Hoya. Magkano kaya yung hoya? Ito naman cute na orchids. $25. Very cute. Tapos, ganda rin ito guys, oh. Marami to sa Hawaii. Remember this in Hawaii? They grow on the ground.
Yeah.
These are expensive. $40.
Wow.
Yeah, they just grow in Hawaii. It's like a grass. I didn't know these are expensive.
That's fake, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Plastic.
Look like a plastic. There's something in the middle.
Yeah, it's kind of neat.
Mm-hmm.
Absorb the water in there.
Yeah.
That's cool.
That's how they serve the water.
Let the
That's cool.
bees can feed on it, probably.
Punta naman tayo doon sa kabilang side, guys. Maganda talaga dito. Kailangan lang mag-sombrero kasi ang init. Bango. Maraming mga food dito na nabibili. There's a lot of places that sell a food too, right? Let's see here. There's a lot of vendors around. Yan, may mangga dito na binibenta, oh. Yan, mangga, guys. $7. Sold out. Ano ba itong na sold out nila? Burger. Sold out na. Walk through meat market. Pwede kang papasok sa loob, guys, oh, para bibili ng meat. You wanna see this? Look, Akban. For the dog. For the dog. Tingnan natin yung mga meat products nila dito, guys. Brats. Yan, dami nilang choices. Different kind of meat. Stew meat. Leg quarter. Classy. Okay, let's... this one, it looks good too. What's this? Is a breakfast? Breakfast. Ang init na, guys. Grabe, ang daming tao, oh. Tapos may mga pulis dito nag-ikot-ikot. Sobrang init naman. Dapat meron din ditong mga puno. Pero may mga shade naman, guys. O, tingnan nyo. Maganda yung roof nila. Let's look her husband. Dito tayo sa may lilim guys kasi mainit. Ito naman wine. Wine. At least yung mga vendors, meron silang masilungan. Maganda kaya yung silungan nila. Tapos dyan, ano naman, taco. Ayan o, taco. Taco takera. They have taco. Tingnan natin yung taco nila. Ewan ko magkano kaya yon. Order here. Tapos meron din silang drink. Ayan, hanggang dito sa kadulo-duluhan guys, ano, marami pa ring nagbibenta. Hanggang sa taas pala yan, oh. Ito naman, mga mais. Tapos, same pa rin, melon, saka cantaloupe, saka yung watermelon. Dito, tingnan natin dito. Sorry. Tingnan natin dito. Meron din silang ampalaya. Yan, nakabili tayo ng ampalaya, guys. Look at that garlic. That's how they do. They tie it together. I-check natin tong garlic, guys. Ayan, oh, pangontra sa aswang, oh. Maganda pagkatali nila. $30 ang breads ng ano, garlic. Popsicle. Ayan pa, oh. $6 yung organic na egg. $1. I have that before, 1,000 plants. Wow, akyat tayo doon sa taas, guys, oh. Pwede kang dadaan dito. Pwede ka rin doon sa taas. Clock Tower. O, akyat tayo sa taas. Grabe, ang init talaga, guys. Buti na lang naglagay tayo ng sunblock. Yan, ang ganda dito. You can sit here when it's not hot. Clock Tower Landing. Wow, there's more here. Wow, ang daming mga food. What they're selling is like para siyang ano, empanada. Tapos dito cookies. Yan, cookie. Tapos mga flower. Wow, ang ganda ng flower, oh. Look, Asman. We have this, guys. We have a lot of this.
Yeah.
I wish I can have like this. I like this one. $35 yung bouquet. Grabe, ang mahal. Wow, there's so many in here. $15 yung bouquet nila, guys. 15. Yan, garlic. Ang lalaki ng garlic, oh. Tapos ito, beets.
$4 those.
Wow, that's too much. Wow, it's a huge. These are all organic here. Medyo mahal dito, guys, kasi organic to siya. This is the leeks. Celery. Eggplant. Ang bouquet ng marigold, the bouquet of marigold is $20. See that? Ang mahal pala ng ano, ng marigold. Tomato. And there's more around here. More melon. Okay, tapos na tayo dyan. Dami nilang kamatis, guys, oh. Ganda talaga dito, guys. Tapos may nagpe-play din doon ng music sa unahan. Masarap ngayon kumain ng ice cream kasi mainit. Grabe, ang daming tao. Kahit mainit, marami pa rin tao, guys. Tapos dyan sa unahan, may nagpe-play ng music. Pwede ka diyang mag-relax-relax. Ayan, oh. Clock landing. Okay, balik tayo sa baba. This one is new too. You can rest there, guys. If you wanna rest, you can sit there. No dogs allowed in market. No dogs. Wow, ang ganda. Baba tayo, guys. Hindi pa tayo tapos kasi marami pa dito sa kabilang side. Dito, yeah, let's go here. Let's go here kasi dito tayo sa may lilim. Wow, this one nice. Huh?
This looks familiar.
Pistachio. Ang sarap nito, oh. Pistachio bread. Peppers. Homegrown. Ang ganda dito kaya, guys, oh, sa loob. Brazilian dessert to siya. Wow, s'mores. Cookie. Magkano yung cookie nila? Okay, tingin pa tayo dito, guys. Coffee cake. Ayan, meron silang coffee cake. $7 each or $4. Dami ng choices, guys. Ganda dito ng ganda pagkagawa nila dito. Kasi pag halimbawa umuulan sa labas, at least dito may silungan. Sulit yung pagpunta nyo dito, guys. Yun nga lang, medyo pricey yung iba. Ayan, tingnan natin itong bread. Sourdough. Marami pang mapipilian dito, guys. Maraming mga homemade nila na mga food. Oh, this one is good. How much this one? 8. 8. Medyo pricey nga lang yung mga price nila. Mga klase-klaseng tea, guys, oh. Klase-klase. So, naikot na natin halos, guys. So yan lang, ang daming ano, ang dami pa ring tao hanggang ngayon. Punta tayo dito sa may Viewnas guys, Italian Bistro kasi ayaw niyang pwetila dyan sa ano, yung bibili ng food kasi mainit daw. So kain tayo dito sa may Italian Bistro. Italian Bistro.